Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today we will unbox this Hot Wheels Decidedly Go from the 2025 series. You may ask me, dude, why are you showcasing the unboxing of a fantasy car? There's a reason. Let's unbox it. Hopefully, I don't damage the car. Hopefully, it's not too triggering for you guys. I unbox my car in this fashion. Maybe I will get a knife later on. Okay, so this is how the car looks like. The body has a nice purple finish, like this has metallic flecks. Let me zoom in. It looks really nice. This 8 ball makes me want to pull it out, but no, you can't move it around and all those things. The decals look nice, gives it a futuristic look, I must say. And there's a small turbocharged engine. Now, coming to the actual reason on why this car is unique. Can you hear this noise? Right, you can hear a sound. So if I turn around, so we have this octahedral die. Okay, so this car has a future telling, or I must say fortune telling capabilities. So this octahedral die has 8 responses. The affirmative ones are yes, most likely, outlook good, it is certain. The neutral ones are reply hazy, ask again. And the negative ones are answer is no and doubt it. The top part is metal and the bottom is clear plastic. So let's ask a question to this car. How many, no, not how many, I should say, will I get any STH this year? Let's see the response. Let me zoom in. Okay, as you can see, guys, it says ask again. So let's check it once more. It says reply hazy. Okay, I am not getting any good responses. Maybe let me ask another question. Will I get at least one STH this year? What does it say? Even I can't make it out. Okay, understood. So it says outlook good. So guys, based upon the fortune telling capabilities of this car, it says that maybe I will get at least one stage this year. Mind you, I never got a stage. Okay, so if this is true, then yeah, definitely I will let you guys know. It rolls nicely as expected. This is the Hot Wheels. So this is the unique feature of this car, and I will say that yeah, you guys must get this if you like this unique fantasies. Last but not the least, you may ask me, okay, how do I identify such fantasies? There's a hint on the pack. So if you see here, right, so this diagram, so if you see a fantasy which has this kind of picture and all, you can be assured that this has an unique feature or action. So if you love collecting these kind of cars, I will definitely say give it a try. That's all from this video. So this is a short one. Like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.